Just wanted to give you a personal call to let you know that you won the AEJUICE I Want It All bundle. So
dang, yo, I'm amped. Look, you don't know how much that means.
I never win anything, so I was so shocked.
I'm so happy, my mind is blown away.
I can't even tell you how, my phone just went off.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nate. Now, I hope all of you are having an amazing start to your 2020. The new year is here. We have a new announcement for you all. That's right. I know I ended off the last year by announcing that we're doing a $1,500 After Effects plugin bundle giveaway. That time is right now that we're going to be announcing all of the winners. I'm super excited. I know you are too. All right, let's go. Now, originally, we were thinking of only having 4 winners get 8 licenses. So that means each winner would get one from them and a friend, except when we reach out to the winners that we selected, a few of them were kind enough and generous enough to say, hey, we want our second license to go away to someone else that participated in the giveaway. So that's why we don't have just 4 winners right now. We have 7 and we're looking for an 8th winner. So yeah, we are extending the giveaway. So one of you guys watching right now still has a chance to go ahead and win this bundle for yourself. Now, if you haven't heard of the AEJUICE I Want It All bundle, it's pretty much a super stacked bundle with a whole bunch of cool animation presets, and honestly, I can go on for days and days about it. So make sure you check over here in the top for a little bit more information on how you can enter the giveaway. I just want to say a personal thank you to all of you guys that already participated. You're still in the runnings. We're going to just go ahead and do another randomized selection. So yeah, you still have a chance to win. And if you haven't done all the things that you can to up your submissions, make sure you go ahead and do that right now, because we're extending this until the end of this month, when we're gonna also go ahead and give away one more license to someone who's lucky enough to get this awesome pack. When I called the different winners of the giveaway, I was just so surprised by how awesome all of them were. So many different talents. We called someone who does ballet. We called someone who just makes music and does like all kinds of different cool stuff in the studio. Yeah, we had different people from all over the world, which was pretty much like a first for me, calling someone from London and then calling someone from Croatia, New York. Yeah, honestly, it's just really great to be able to bring people from different backgrounds and different talents all together under one roof in the Black Mixture fam. So I'm really happy that you guys even participated in the giveaway, and I was honored to be able to give you guys a license to this product. I can't wait to see what you guys are gonna do with it. I know you guys are creative geniuses in your own respect, so yeah, whatever you guys make, definitely feel free to send it over. And let's see who else is gonna be the next winner of the giveaway. We had people who, honestly, I had no idea that they had like upwards of 10 to like 20,000 followers, to people that had no less than 10 followers. So we're really just selecting a random list here, and everyone who enters the giveaway has a chance to win this. So make sure you go ahead, enter the giveaway today. Let me know what you think. If there's any other plugins that you want us to be able to give away, go ahead and contact their developers. Let them know about Black Mixture, and maybe we could be able to set something up. Also, if you want to check out the winners' Instagrams, I'm going to be putting that here. So all these winners right here on this video, these guys already won, but we have one more license out to give away. So I'm excited. And as always, I hope to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I just want to give a quick shout out to Black Mixture and Motion Lovers. I'm really appreciative of the gifts that you are giving to both me and my brother. I've been doing film and videos for about 2 or 3 years now, and I use Adobe Premiere and After Effects a lot. So I'm really going to be able to hone in on my skills, use a lot of what is going to be given to us, and I just wanted to say thank you, and I appreciate the gifts.
Oh my god, you guys are like amazing. Seriously, you made my whole new year coming now.